Hello, and welcome to Wodin. What is Wodin? Well, it's a lightweight and easy-to-use tool that allows you to keep track of your key influencers, all from the comfort of your existing spreadsheets. I'm here today to show you how Wodin works when it comes to building reports. Here we have a target list I've prepared for a fake action horror title called Raven's Reach. This sheet has already been filled out with influencer data thanks to Wodin. You can watch our other tutorial to learn how that functionality works and how you can integrate Wodin into your existing sheets. Today though, our hypothetical scenario is that I've built my list, gotten in contact with my targets, and I'm now looking to see if they've published any coverage of Raven's Reach. Now I could go look for those hits manually, visiting each channel and scrubbing through the recent content that's been posted. Or I could save a whole lot of time and use Wodin. All I have to do is select my desired channels, go up to Add-ons, Wodin, search keyword, and then enter my search term. As a quick note before I do that though, for YouTube channels, you can also continue to use those unique channel links here, just like when pulling stats with Wodin. Anyways, as there won't be any hits for Raven's Reach, seeing as it doesn't exist, let's use a game that these channels might actually be playing for our search term. As you can see, Wodin has created a whole new tab on our spreadsheet containing the results, with a title that includes a handy timecode to help you keep track of your reports. Whenever you build a report with Wodin, it will create a new tab, even if you're using the same combination of influencers and search term, so you don't have to worry about past results being overwritten. Let's give our Bloodborne search another try. And as we can see, we have a whole new tab with a whole new timecode. Something to note is that Wodin will search each platform slightly differently. So in the case of YouTube, for example, it may pull additional results based on tags or description text. We built the search engine with over-inclusion in mind to ensure it finds everything on the first pass, but that does mean the odd false positive can pop up. As with any search tool, you can ensure more accurate results by using unique and specific search terms, such as a particular hashtag you've requested people use when covering your product. You may be wondering what happens when there are no hits for the search term you've chosen. In that scenario, Wodin will simply provide you with an empty report. This lets you know that it has gone and checked against those channels or feeds for what you've entered, it just wasn't able to find anything. And that is how you build reports with Wodin, letting it do the legwork while you reap the insights. Wodin is still in beta and will be continuing to improve and add features as time goes on, so don't be surprised if you see some bits change here and there, or if some of the menu options are labeled differently. If you'd like to keep up with that progress, or provide us with some of your feedback, then please feel free to follow us on Twitter or LinkedIn and drop us a line. Thanks for using Wodin, and have a good one.